Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a really quick review of these SADDLEMEN bags. This is my second pair of bags from SADDLEMEN. The last pair I had, maybe if I can edit a pic in there, were the leather look cover, like the kind of flat black. Same size, different bike. It was a old Yamaha 650. Really great. Kind of a pain to install if you don't, you're not used to using your hands. I'm not, so I have my friends help me. But this, man, they look so good with this bike because the black, that kind of gloss black matches with the tank and the other parts. I saw them on a couple other bikes, similar, almost same kind of bike, maybe the 114 instead of the 117. And I knew that I could trade in my Street Glide, and I still bag the Lowrider S. So Lowrider S 117, you gotta buy an extra $50 or $60. Gotta buy the extension. It comes with wires. You gotta have somebody who knows wiring. Kind of looks funny without the bags. Once you get the bags on, it's no big deal. These hook on here. Once you got them even, it works well. But you got to make sure you get all your measurements right. Okay. These are the locks. Once it's unlocked, open it up. Got plenty of room. Get my hat. Give it a shot. There's a little pocket in here. I found that the first night it had a little bit of condensation. A couple of things got a little wet, but I haven't really noticed much after. Yeah, man, these are great. They're terrific. I absolutely would put them on any bike. And also, by the way, this Sissy bar is also Viking bags. So it's very flat. You just use the longer lugs and you're done. I mean, it's very easy. My only biggest complaint, and this is actually a pretty big complaint, you cannot replace the keys. Nobody really talks about this, but I will say it. That really bothers me. I might have thought a couple more times about spending the 400, 300, 350 or 400 bucks on these bags, knowing that, especially because I literally lose keys a lot. So, but now I have, my setup and my air tag on the last key that's there. The only way to rectify the key issue is that you have to bore this out, buy another key assembly. This is this whole stupid thing in there, and then install it. So don't lose your keys. Other than that, I truly think this is the best quality bags you're gonna get aftermarket. I just couldn't stand those ST bags that were not not asymmetrical or symmetrical, not symmetrical. I have no problems with this distance either. So that's that, guys.